The topic of today's video is how to create a route on the Strava app. Now, guys, first warning, I do believe that this is a paid feature. I'm not 100% sure, but I was gonna say I'm 90% sure. All right, so what we want to do is we want to click on Maps over here. Then we want to just go to wherever we want to make our route and click on the pencil icon. Now that is going to open the map properly. And you can search for a specific place here, or if you know where it is on the map, you can just navigate to it. So I'll just pick a random spot. And now what you want to do is click on the pencil icon, and then you simply need to draw your route. Now on a touch screen, this is trying, but yeah, it'll leave a little point every time, and you can just keep drawing your route as you want to go. Just keep clicking on the pencil icon, draw your route until you're happy with it. Then all you need to do is click on done. Now I don't know why my map is spazzing out on the top there, but what you want to do then is just fill out your route name, set up your privacy controls, and you can even download your route. That is pretty awesome. And then hit save on the top right. And that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next Strava video.